In this video, I will show you how to change the internal battery in a Hyundai Genesis Coup key fob. This key fob was used between 2010 and 2014 and uses a CR2032 battery. Changing the battery is really simple and can be done at home. All you need to do is get yourself a battery. If you'd like to get one online, I'll leave a link in the description, the YouTube description. They're just a couple bucks and you can get it on Amazon. Once you have your battery, locate the slot on the top of the key fob here. Take a tool, like a flathead screwdriver, and insert it into that slot. With a twisting motion, just like that, the two halves of the key fob will begin to separate. You can pull it apart with your fingers. Suggest putting the bottom of the key fob up when you remove the other half. Otherwise, you might have a bit of a situation there. I'll show you how to put it all back together anyway. Now we have our CR2032 in there. It's housed in this plastic and metal area. We're going to take a tool like our flathead and just push on the bottom lip of that battery, just enough to then pull it out with our fingers. Okay, take a brand new CR2032 battery. Make sure the positive side with this text and information is facing up, and slide it back in where it came from, all the way to the bottom until it is firmly in place. Now, let's put these buttons back in. These first two are connected and it's very easy to line them up. Now we have this hatch button, the hold button. Just going to say, okay, that way is up. So now we just turn the button over, put it back into place, make sure everything is flush, and then the circuit board and the battery go right on top of that. Gently push down and click the two halves of the key fob back together. Now you can see the light is on, key fob is working, and that's all it takes. If this video helped you, go ahead and leave a like, and for more information, check out the YouTube description to go to fobbattery.com to see the entire guide on the Hyundai Genesis Coup. Thank you so much for watching.